Hello and welcome back to Memory at Lightning Speed with the Permanent Memory Sphere and Power Recall. Memory Course 2, Episode 2. The sun is up. Memory at Lightning Speed. Session 5. Okay, Powerbrain, memory expert, memory improver. How did we do? How did we do the second time? What I want you to do is to count the number you did correctly and then write down the number and also circle it. You should have two numbers now, one before and then one after. You didn't have to do it perfect. You don't have to worry if you did it perfect, because remember, we're not looking for perfection. We're looking for progress. We are not looking for perfection, we're looking for progress. Daily progress. Don't look for perfection, look for progress. That's what this quest really is all about. Little incremental changes, maybe 1% each day. It doesn't seem like a lot, but over the course of 144 days together, or more than 570 short 5 minutes videos, is a completely different destination or different destiny. And that's really what this program is all about. So congratulate yourself if you improved. If you didn't, remember, learn from yourself, right? There's no such thing as failure, just failure to learn. There's no failure, just failure to learn. You want to remember to teach yourself and coach yourself, because ultimately you are the memory expert. You know you, and you can learn from your mistakes and grow wiser moving forward. Okay, Powerbrain, this is what I want you to do right now for homework or your fun work, if you will. Number 1, I'm going to ask you to go right now into the tribe, into the community. I want you to post your results. What did you start with? And how many did you remember in the beginning? And after you learned the technique of basic association, how many did you remember the second time? So post the initial number and then the second number. The second thing I'd like you to do is I'd like you to teach the sun list to somebody else. Remember, when you teach something, you get to learn it twice. This sun list is going to be very important because we're going to use it in future lessons. One of the best ways of learning it is to teach somebody else. Therefore, I want you to find somebody over the next 24 hours and teach them the sun list, which you could easily do. Just rehearse it and review it yourself as you're doing it. What did we learn in today's lesson? We learned about the power of basic association. What is basic association? Basic association is making a logical association between two things, and we used it to create or co-create what we call the sun list. I want you to review the sun list 1 through 20 throughout the day, because we are going to use it in future lessons. I want to thank you again for showing up and playing full out. I'm your Powerbrain achimllemke. I'll see you in the next session. Today's action steps. Post in the community your before and after results. Teach the sun list to somebody else. Key learning points. Basic association equals logical association between two things. Don't look for perfection, look for progress. There's no failure, just failure to learn. And you could check out my transcript on YouTube and also read the subtitles. If you like the video, share it with others as you see fit. Now join my library. There are more than 270 videos for you to watch and learn from. Next, click on Video79U. It's for you. Watch now and learn more. See you there. Thank you.